The saddest moment in Chainsaw Man hits hard in the public safety arc. Aki Hayakawa's death in Chainsaw Man hits hard. In a world filled with devils, he was a symbol of hope. The story shows that every relationship is like a double-edged sword. Love can lift us up but also bring a ton of pain. He was fighting not just devils but also trying to protect his new family Denji and Power. When the gun devil showed up, made a deal with the future devil, putting everything on the line to keep his friends safe. This moment is so sad because it wasn't just about bravery. Aki's last smile stayed with Denji and Power, leaving them empty and heartbroken.